Okay, this is a mannequin cut that Danny's going to do and I'm going to film. When clients can't get in to see us, we send out this, which is instructions on the hair length. And if they're hair system wearers and take off the system themselves and they like the cut, then they do the measurements for us and send it in. So Danny's going to be cutting this in on a block and I'm going to be filming him. Right, Dan's just tapped this on the block, but I couldn't resist it. Uncut, lace colour 3, which is the same colour as the mannequin, and just look how good that hairline looks. So like I said many times, you can't put a system on a block that looks good if it's not made well. So this is before the fitting, so you can see how incredible it is. And then he just does a couple of mil just in front of the hairline. And he cuts that all the way around. And you see Danny's pinned the actual measurements up here, so while he starts and separating it, that noise you can hear is a polystyrene head?
Polystyrene, yeah.
Yeah, so don't think that it's being brutally brushed, it's because it's being done on a polystyrene head. Super fine, thin sections.